cameraman here, folks. We got Stuntman over here. Stuntman, tell them what we're doing real quick.
Okay, what we're doing here today is something very special. And this is only for the neutral droppers, because if you're not subscribed by this time, stay off my channel!
My channel? Junkman, take note. Anyway,
what's going on is behind the scenes. You guys see us doing all these fantastic stunts, shit you can only fucking dream about doing yourselves, okay? That I pull off week in and week out, put my life on the line.
Notice he said week.
This is a behind the scenes look of testing and tuning. We showed you guys the truck. Show them the truck. Show them
the truck.
We got the new HD 2500. Now, what we do from time to time is I attempt to do fifth gear burnouts, which I have not done one yet. I will admit that I have not done a fifth gear burnout yet. We also do chain ups, okay? We also do shark fishing chain ups where the car goes back and forth like this. We're going back and forth while it's chained up.
Deep sea
fishing chain ups. Well, I'm going to tell you what's going on here today. I stopped. It is Saturday night in Mexico. I need to be going home right now. But I love you sons of bitches.
Wow, he loves you guys. Now, what we're doing here...
Shut up, I'm talking. You're all quiet now. Suddenly you're all brave.
What we're doing...
Suddenly your stage fright is all gone. Get over here.
Stage fright, me?
What we did was, we made a makeshift hook.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Now, this makeshift hook is, so we can pull cars out. Okay? They don't want to see the hook. They'd rather see my face. Oh, so we can pull cars out and whatnot. So we could attempt 50 burnouts, and so we could do chain ups, okay? Now, the behind the scenes test that you guys are gonna get to see right now is us testing out the tower and see. Could you put it back on the on the chain up thing? Put it back on there.
I'm about to shoe your ass right now.
All right.
Wow,
Anyways.
I'm trying. Hold on a minute. Everyone, I'm over here with the camera trying to be all quiet as this guy runs his mouth. Oh my God, anyway, go ahead, continue and be more polite.
We need to check tolerances. This is safety going on here. The bolt tolerances, we got a hardened bolt right there.
Yeah, I don't know about
that. If that thing breaks, I may slingshot across Brooklyn, Mexico.
All right,
Now, here is the behind the scenes for neutral droppers only. No one outside of neutral droppers is allowed to subscribe.
Oh my goodness. This is like a free Patreon of sorts. All right, hold on a minute. Without further ado,
what you got,
going on, young man?
All right, when you're in
First
the car,
of all, I gotta get a hold of it. I gotta get a load of this. Wow. Woo.
How about this for all you wise guys on the channel going, he blew out the tire already. Take a look.
Did you?
No.
You know what? I was on the wrong side of the burnout at first, I gotta admit. Oh, it's safe. It's as safe. This is as safe as can be. Watch my truck. Stuntman, this is very, very safe. Did you break her?
Very close and do your fucking job.
Wow! How aggressive he gets with his words. Did you break something? Hold on, hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna... Oh, look, he's up in the air right here, folks. Look at that. It's like Herbie and the Love Bug. The thing floats and flies. Oh, it's stuck on the hook. It's stuck on the hook. Hold on. Get out. You got to see this. It's great. It's balancing on the hook. No. No, it's not.
Liar. What a liar. What a liar.
I legit thought that it was balancing on the hook. Didn't you guys think it too? Wow.
Okay. Now we have an issue, and now we just create a work.
Look at his forehead, everybody.
What?
You got like a rubber mark. I really thought it was sitting on the hook.
Well, let me tell you what happened. When I slammed the curb, I just broke an axle. By the way, this thing's only got 90,000 miles. I could have had this for next summer.
Yeah, this would have suited you just well. I noticed the ponytail. Pink. What? Back off! Bumper humper. Oh my God. Wow.
Did this girl think I was going to go off to a car like this?
I gotta take him off camera. It's a family channel, you idiot.
And I was humping the bumper.
Oh, God, look at this. All right.
All right, so listen, let's cut it. Enough of the bullshit. You got the behind the scenes look. Now you all know what it's like to live in my world.
Wow, a safety check, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna have to, I say we gotta come back for this. You got nothing?
Listen. Hold on, listen to this.
Yeah, she's broken. You bought it.
Right, let's pull
he
it
ruined
back
everything. He broke it. He ruined everything.
Let's pull it back a little bit.
And everyone, I apologize for that false thinking it was on the hook, but it really looked like that. Really did, folks. Folks, a little more behind the scene. You want to come here and be in the video, stuntman, or are you too cool? He's too big of a star for little nonsense like this. We bought this car, okay, and it was a sharp car. And it was a good runner too.
Get over here.
Wow, he's way better at telling the story. Okay. I'm the story time master.
Okay, this is a car we were going to do a motor blow, all kinds of crap. Here's the problem. You buy the car, it's got a little bit, the sunroof is not settling properly on the car.
What is it, Ash Wednesday?
We leave the car. Do I have something on my fucking phone? Oh, nice. Now I got a shower tomorrow. Okay, well now the fucking thing is...
Go to the back. The back opens.
Okay, so don't show them yet.
Oh,
so the car has a little bit of a water leak on it. We leave it for like a month because we're busy doing shit and whatnot. Come back to the car.
More like 3 months.
This is what you get. You can fucking die in 3 seconds with all the black mold in this fucking thing. You understand?
So, a lot of breath.
So we're sitting to ourselves. I'm like, oh, I'm going to perform in the car. Yeah, I'm going to perform. It's going to be my last performance. I'm going to be dead.
Don't close it. You're going to show the whole thing here. He actually sat in that seat before, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on. Get my finger out of here. Yeah, this thing got really... Oh, we don't want to sit in that. I don't even want to keep that gas can. Folks, a little behind the scene, you know? Anyway, listen, like, comment, subscribe. Hey, the car put out a good appearance, man. I think it was a... it wasn't the one with the vet motor. Don't get all excited. It was a 3.6 CTS4 Caddo. Ladies and gentlemen, like, comment, subscribe. We are out.